I have my dirt bike here. It's it's electrical. I'm going to ride. It's dead. So I gotta charge it once I find the charger. So this is it. Sit here. Let's go. Kind of pushed you on that turn there. So I'm gonna be playing volleyball or soccer in a few minutes, but I have to go get the volleyball. I play soccer and volleyball with that one volleyball. It's like all torn up from playing volleyball at the park. But let's go get it. I gotta go put my bike up. I can't believe I had to go all the way upstairs just to get a ball. I mean, like, bro. I don't know where it is. Like, bro. Don't. You just not. You know where that yellow ball is? That yellow ball. She never knows where anything is. Let's look in here. Nope, not here. Where is it? I'm gonna look in her room. I don't recall it in my room. And I don't recall it anywhere. Ow! I literally just tripped over thin air. Well, it's practically not thin. I tripped over air.